Hey, what's up, yo? I got some problems here. Everything works except for I got a new switch, whopper switch, and the whoppers seem to work on their own. They won't shut off. I don't know, have any idea what that is. The windshield washer sprayers are on constantly. My idle up doesn't work, and my blower motor fan inside here, it doesn't work. Everything just kind of went out at the same time. The radio works, my PTO works, all the lights work. It's just the wipers, the blower motor, which I've replaced. I've replaced the switch, and yeah, I've checked all the fuses, so I'm just trying to get an idea what's going on here. I've run out of ideas. So if there's anybody out there that can please help, I would really appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Thanks for all the subscribers. We're getting there. We're doing it, guys. But leave me a comment if you think you might know what it is, and it would be greatly appreciated. Until next time, God bless.